I would like to say thank you, Amy, for the AquaOasis humidifier. This has been one of the best investments I have invested in, due to, you know, us having to wear masks as a nurse. We are getting really dried out, and this time of year it's even drier. And my daughter was having some issues with her respiratory, and this has made a huge difference in her home. It has helped her health. It has helped me as well with the hoarseness and the dryness in my throat due to the mask. And I would really definitely recommend to every home in the world to invest in the AquaOasis. It's so easy to use. The settings are just easy. You can go to full steam, you know, and it's cool air, and it just makes the air thinner. You can breathe better, and you're not as dry and hoarse, and it just helps with the respiratory, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much.